By now, your content is working. You're posting consistently. People are watching, and you might even be getting messages, calls, or website visits. But here's the problem that most restoration companies don't see. They're creating demand, but they don't have an efficient system to capture it. And when that happens, leads slip through the cracks. You get missed calls, slow replies, confusing websites. There's no clear next step. And in this industry, that's all it takes for someone to move on to the next company. So in this episode, we're going to talk about what happens after your content does its job. Because attention is step one, but capturing that attention into something actionable is what turns attention into revenue. Now there are 3 areas that you need to lock in. First, speed. Restoration is urgent. And when someone has water coming through their ceiling, they're not filling out long forms or waiting for callbacks. You need to be easy to reach immediately. That means phone number clearly visible everywhere, call buttons on your website, fast response when someone reaches out. Speed alone can win you the job. Second, simplicity. When someone lands on your website or your profile, it should be obvious what to do next, not 5 options, not a long explanation, just clear direction. Call now, request help, get an inspection. If people have to think too hard, then they just won't act. Third, follow-up. Not every lead converts right away. Some people are still deciding, some are waiting for approval, some just aren't ready yet. Now this is where a lot of companies lose business. Simple follow-ups like a callback, a message, or a check-in could turn a missed opportunity into a booked job. Now, when you combine these 3 things, speed, simplicity, and follow-up, you'll stop leaking those leads. And in the restoration industry, we all know that leaks are bad. And when you're not leaking leads,